Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you about how to make a small quiz using Google Forms. So now let's start. I have come to Google Documents and from there I have already opened my form page. Now I'll take a blank form, so I'm selecting this template and let's see. In my previous video I have already shown you how to make a Google form and how you can add new questions and other things. Okay, now let's start with this. So first we'll give this form a title. Let me make it like a quiz. And if you want to give description, then let me give it as class. Let me make it for small kids, class 3. Class 2. Okay, it's very easy one. So we'll be learning now. Now here I want to make this that the students first give their name. So for that I will be selecting short answer type so that they can write their names. And in the question, what is the question? I'll write student name. Okay. Student name. And after that the student will answer when they submit the response. They will write over their name. Okay, now I want to add one more for the roll number. So I'll click this icon plus sign and one more question will be added. Okay, as you can see. Okay, now I want the roll number. So I will write roll number. See here there are many options aware. Like you can create a drop down also, but you have to add all the numbers one by one, so it's a lengthy process. Instead what I'll do is just I'll make it again short answer type. Okay. So the student will add the roll number over here. And one more thing what I want to do is make these two questions mandatory. That means the student have to attempt this. They have to give their name as well as roll number and then they can proceed to other questions. Okay, so I have clicked this button, so that this response has now become required, it has become mandatory. Now again I'll make another question, a very simple one. So now we have already seen short answer type. Now next type I will make it of multiple choice. Okay, now here the students will have many options and from them and from among those they have to select one answer. So let me make it a simple question like which among the following is a what? Pet animal. Let me make this one only. Okay, and now I will provide here many options. Let me first make it like ox. Let me make it change it to lion. It is not a pet, as all of us know. Then second, dog. So I have to make it a deadly one so that there are few people who keep these things also as pet. Generally in different countries they keep it. Like, let me name it as Python, the Python snake. I'm giving you only three options. Okay, so this one way better. You can add more options as you wish. You can add more option. Also, what you can do is, if you have images, right? If you have images, from here you can select the image. See, here's the icon. I don't have image right now, but let me show you. If I click this one, add image, it is asking for, you can search online also. See, like Google image search. From here, let me add rose lion. So it can search online and add this one, insert. It is loading, and an image of lion has been inserted. Similarly, for a dog, let me insert an image. Google search again, I'll do dog, a cute dog, let me insert. Husky, yeah, huskies are very cute. Okay, this one is quite cute, I think. Which one? Yeah, this one. Insert, and you can insert it. Similarly, I will add Python snake and snake, yeah, Python snake, and I will add that. Oh my god, it's too deadly kind of, yeah. Still, okay, the kids will be afraid. I think I should change this, but for demo, let me show you. They should be aware of these things also. So let's add this one also. Fine. See, you have added so beautiful images, and our question is ready. Okay. This is the first type of multiple choice question I have shown. Apart from that, we have two small type, and let me show you one more question, and in my next tutorial I will show you some other. Okay, so here it's a simple one. What is today date? What is today's, what I've written, what is today's date, right? This means that they have to insert today's date, whatever date today is. So already I have taken date type, and the answer will be here. Okay, so this is the basic one. I will show you more features of Google Form in my next tutorial, in my next video. Till then, stay tuned and subscribe my channel, and you can also like and share. Thank you.